Hello my dear children, hope you all are happy and enjoying with your family members. And now this is study time. We will study subject English. Here you can see that the topic sound of W. Today we will study sound of W. The previous videos we studied about the vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, words with that. We learned a lot. Here more to learn. Okay. E sounds E and double E, E. Okay. So you can see here some words written B, double E, it will become B. F, double E, Fee. S, double E, C. B, B gives us honey, right? That one is the honey bee. Fee, we deposit to that fee counter. C, we see with that. So to write these spelling, what we have just written there? Double E common there. B, we put, it will become B. We put F, it will become P. We put C, S, it will become C. So what is common? Double E, B, double E, B, F, double E, P, S, double E, C. So some more what we study with double E. Next, S, double E, D. Seed. To grow a plant there we need a seed. This is the seed. W, double E, D, weed. F, double E, D, feed. More three words. Seed, weed, feed. Weed is what? When plant grow starting, that one is called weed. Feed what? We give food to that, those who are needing, want to eat, those who are hungry. So that way we feed. We feed the child, we feed that animals. Okay. So that one is what? Feed. Next more words. J-double-E-P, jeep. What is there? Double E. Jeep. D-double-E-P, deep. Deep is having depth. D-double-E-P, that a pond, that river, very deep. That ocean, deep. Here you can see the pond. The pond is very deep. Jeep we use to, for what? For just moving from one place to another. To write spelling of jeep, J-double-E-P. To write deep, D-double-E-P. So double E is common. We put what? J there and D there. It will make a new word. Double E and P is common there. Okay. Now, beep. Sound. Beep. B-double-E-P. Beep. Speaker just sound beep. Speak. Speaker. Here you can see that. Beep. Deep. Jeep. Now next word. Knee and tree. K and double E. It will become knee. Knee is what? The joint in our leg. We are having a joint in our leg. That way we can fold, we can stretch our leg very easily, right? Spelling of tree, T-R, double E. Tree gives us fruits, right? And shade when we move on the road. So, tree spelling. Now spelling of cheese. We love eating cheese. Cheese in pizzas, sandwiches. Spelling of cheese, C-H. You will fill double E. It's a S-E. It will become cheese. Love eating cheese, sandwiches and pizzas. So here you can see that each row having words with the sound double E. Rhyming sounds are there in first 3 row. The last row, 2 words same round, and the same rhyming sound. The last word is that not having that same sound, but sound of E is there. So E sounds E. Alright. Now some more words in the blocks are there. I will just explain here. Some words from that. Block 1. L, double E. So double E is there. Double E is common there. When you put L, it will become Li. When you put S, it will become C. Block 2, just see that double E there and L is common there. When you write fee, it will become, when you write F, it will become feel. When you write H, it will become heel. We are having heel on our legs. Heel. When you write R, it will become heel. Okay? More new words with double E. Now, double E and D is common there. Double E and D is common there. Double E and D is common there. So, D-double-E-D, deed. The deeds you are doing. Next, N-double-E-D, need. What do you need? I need a glass of water. I need food. R-double-E-D, read is there. Next, more what? Double E N, common. Double E N, common. Double E and common. You write B, it will become been. Have you been? K, keenly, keen. T, double E and teen. 16, 17, 18, 19, teen. That one called the teenage also when you come in that 13-year-old, 14-year-old till 19, okay? Now, double E, K is common there. When you write L, it will become Li. Double E, K is common there. When you write P, it will become P. Double E, K is common there. When you write S, it will become seek. I am seeking. Okay, seek of that. Next, double EP is common. When you write K, it will become keep. When you write W, it will become weep. Don't weep. Don't cry. Next words with double ET. When you write F, it will become feet, 2 legs. That foot of yours. 2 foot, it will become feet. M, double E-T, need. New, M there, F there. That one, meet. And the spelling of teeth, how will you write? They are also double E. T, double E-T-H. Teeth. Show me your teeth. Brush your teeth every day. Twice in a day, once in the morning, once at night before sleeping, right? Now with that, we will just with double E, some more words with a sentence also. You can see tree is there and a seed is there. Tree and seed. Then what do you see? A seed, a tree, and in sentence, a seed and a tree. Now, next you see in your book, what are you seeing there? A queen, a jeep. A queen on a jeep. Where is the queen? On a jeep. Next, what are you seeing there? Tree and bee. So where is tree? Tree on a, where is that bee? Bee on a tree. A bee, a tree. A bee on a tree. On that. So a bee is where? A bee where? On a tree. This bee is where? On a tree. Is a bee, a tree. A bee on a tree. A bee is where? On a tree. Next. A weed. A weed. This is what? Weed. And a seed. This is what? Seed. And what will you write in the sentence? A weed and a seed. This is the sentence. A weed and a seed. Alright? So what is that common in that most of the spelling? Double E. With double E we are just learning more words. Okay? Here, turn page number 20. Here you see some exercise do. See. Word S-E-E, Now, what do you see? You see this bottle. See your bottle. This child is seeing what? Butterfly. Now sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Sleep now. Now get up. Peel. Peel the skin of banana. Peel the skin of mango. Alright? Now, these two are just doing what? Doing something here. It's told here in this rhyme. Let's sing and enjoy. Sing and enjoy. My dear friend, listen to me. In the seed you will see a baby plant lay asleep. Put it deep and see it creep and breathe. This way you will just sing and with this rhyming words with double. Now let's do. What do you do? Matching. Spelling of jeep with the jeep. Spelling of knee with the knee. Spelling of tree with the tree. Spelling of bee with the picture. Spelling of bee with the picture. Bee. Alright. Next exercise that correct the correct spelling. Now practice it. J-E-E-P, jeep or G-E-E-P, jeep. Which one is the correct one? This one. J-E-E-P. G-E-E-P wrong. Spelling of queen. K-W-E-E-N is correct or Q-U-E-E-N is correct? Q-U. And this one is that wrong. Alright? Next you see. Spelling of seed. S-E-E-D is correct or C-E-E-D is correct? S-E-E-D. C-E-E-D is not wrong. Next spelling. Spelling of sheep. S-E-E-P is correct or S-H-E-E-P is correct? Baba black sheep. This one is the sheep. This one is that correct one. S-E-E-P wrong. S-H-E-E-P is the correct one. Spelling of weed. W-E-E-D is right or V-E-E-D is right? It's a W-E-E-D is the right. V-E-E-D is the wrong one. Spelling of sea. S-E-E is right or C-E-E is right? S double is right. C double is that wrong one. Now the matching you do, very interesting. Do it yourself. Capital letters to small letters. Picture same, spelling same, but you have to match the letters. That capital to is small. One example I will show you. B double E. B double E. Match with that. H double E L heel. Heel of your leg. Here H double E L heel. Just match. Okay. T R double E. Tree. Small letter. T R double E. Match. W double E. D weed capital small. W double E D small. Match with that. Okay. Capital letter to small letter means words with capital letter to small letters. Now J double E P jeep. J double E P is what? Jeep. Small letter J double E P Jeep. Match that. Okay. P. Now, so this way you have learned the spellings capital to small. Okay. This way you can identify the words very easily. It's whether it's written in capital, it's written in small, you can identify it with the practice many times. You have filled the missing letters. What do you do there? Picture of queen is there. So to complete the spelling U-double-E-N, what will you fill? Q. Next picture you see, double-E-D is there. Picture of seed. What will you fill there? S. It will become seed. That a roll of a reel is there. Double E written. What will you write? R. Reel. This is what? Reel. Queen, seed, reel. Next. Double E-T. Written. What will you fill? F. Double E-T. Feet. 2 foot. Is what? Feet. Now, fill there. R double E is there. So it will become C R double E P creep. Creeping. You can just identify the picture. It's flowing. It's creeping. Next. This well. Very deep. So double E P is there. What will you write? D. Double E P is what? Deep. Next 3 blocks you see that in these blocks some common letters are there with double E. You have to complete the series, okay? It's a J double E P Jeep. Next double E P is there, double E P is there, double E P is there. To complete with the new letters to make the new words. So for the new words, we will write SH. It will become sheep. We write CR. It will become creep. We write SL. It will become sleep. New words with double EP. Now, D double ED, deed. D double ED, deed. Words with double ED. Double ED, double ED, double ED. You put N, it will become need. S, it will become seed. F, it will become feed. New words. Do it yourself. Okay. Now, F-E-E-L. Feel. Now, what is common there? E-E-L. 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 To complete the spelling, you write S-T. S-T-E-E-L is steel. That is a metal. S-E-E-L, heel. F-E-E-L, feel. So, new words with E-E-L. Now, to complete this sentence, you just see the picture first. Jeep, sheep. What is that? A sheep is where? A sheep is on a jeep. A sheep on a jeep. A sheep as there. H-E-E-P you will fill. On a jeep. J is there. E-E-P you fill. It will become jeep. A sheep on a jeep. Okay, this way you can develop just reading habit also. Just take words and along with that you speak and in a sentence. That way you can read in sentences, then after the paragraphs, like that. Next picture you see. Tree is there, deer is there. What will you fill? Spelling of deer. A deer near a tree. D-E-E-R, deer. Spelling of tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Next picture. Seed and weed. A weed among the seed. Spelling of weed, W-E-E-D. Spelling of seed, S-E-E-D. Seeds. Now see, this is a queen bee. Spelling of queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. B is there, B-E-E, you will fill. Queen bee. Now just see that some more words with the spelling. Letters E-E. First is that rhyming line. D-E-E-D, deed, S-E-E-D, seed, F-E-E-D, feed, N-E-E-D, need. So what will become that? That words E-E. And rhyming sound D, eed, E-E-D, eed. Deed, seed, feed, need. Next line. E-E-L, 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 eel. P, peel, F, he, feel, H, heel, R, reel. When you add these letters with E-E-L, it will become new words. Now, N-E-E, R-E-E, R-E-E, S-E-E. Now, just read this way. K-N-E-E. K-N-E-E is what? Knee. F-R-E-E, free. T-R-E-E, tree. S-E-E, see. So, knee, free, tree, see. E rhyming. Now, deep, jeep, creep, sheep. E rhyming. Ending sound, rhyming. D-E-E-P, deep, J-E-E-P, jeep, C-R-E-E-P, creep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Now, next, in dialogues you see that two girls are there. They are having with the spelling, name spelling E-E. One girl, Reena, R-E-E-N-A, and two girl, Tina, T-E-E-N-A, Tina. They are talking about the seeds and the weeds. Do you know? Reena saying, do you know what are weeds? Do you know what are weeds? Tina saying, Yes, I know they are seeds. Reena says, no, not at all. Weeds are not seeds. Tina saying, oh, I thought so. Can I see the weed? But Reena saying, look, this is the weed in a seed. This is the weed in a seed. Where is the weed? Weed in a seed. This pot you see? That this seed is there under that pot, and this one is the weed. This one is the weed. This growth of that plant, the growth of this plant is weed. Starting growth. Now, some exercise. We play this activity, spelling. When you reverse the spelling, it will be the same one. Okay. First you write P, double E, P. Is what P. Ab reverse it. Reverse karo. First you write this P. Take one E. E. Another E. E. Another P. Reverse. P. Spelling same. P double E P. P double E P. When you reverse, the same spelling. Starting the same P double E P and ending also P double E P. When you reverse it, then also same. One more word, deed. D double E D. Just reverse it. Take D, E, E and take D. When you reverse, the same, deed. This way you can enjoy. Here, picture you see that they are peeping, just peeping that something. And they are deed, they are doing something. Here collect the pictures with the spelling double E. You can put here the picture of seed also, picture of sea also, picture of weed also, picture of tree also, picture of jeep also, picture of queen also, where there double E comes, that word. You can paste the pictures. Alright? So study well, read well and have a nice day. Thank you class.